Right, so this is end of day 6, although there's been a weekend in between, so you call it 8 if you like. There's the old bath. We've had a couple of leaks in that, so we have a new bath and new tap. So that's going in. Quoted for the kitchen, so that's all in progress, happily. I'll have to report, this is the old kitchen, if you haven't seen in the video before. Today we've had the storage heaters removed by the electrician, and I'm going to fill the holes, paint it. I'm going to sort of paint it around where the holes were. And then he's going to come back tomorrow and fit the new radiators for me. Let me show you the swanky new radiators because they're very exciting. There you go, glass black panel 2000 watt heaters. There'll be 8,000 watts of heat in here, so it should do the trick. If I thought about it, I might have gone infrared. Well, actually, to be fair, I thought they were infrared when I bought them, but I didn't read the description properly, and that comes with the being dyslexic. So onwards and upwards, electric it is. So where was I? Yes, filling the holes, painting that so it looks nice behind the new radiators, and finally there's no hole there and it looks like there never was. So I'm very happy with that. What's happened other than that? So I've put the old storage heaters on Facebook for free. So someone's coming tomorrow to collect all 4 of those, and oh my goodness, they're heavy. I've also put the bath on for free. Now it's got a little hole there. It's also got one there. Now we've got a new bath in the way, otherwise I would show you the state of underneath where it has been leaking for a while. So that is, yeah, that's pretty much it. What else? Light's going to be there tomorrow. Again, I wanted to paint stuff before we put the lights up. But that's all to report for today. Bath in, radiators off, a bit of painting and filling, and Bob's your uncle.